You are welcome to today's math class. Looking at this nice algebra equation, how do you solve for all values of x? Now, firstly, let's cross multiply. When you cross multiply, we are going to have x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2 is equals to 5 multiplied by 5, right? Don't forget, in indices, when you are multiplying number with the same base, for instance, when you multiply these two together, you are going to have a raised to the power of b plus c. So this is a law of indices. So when we apply this here, we are going to have x raised to the power of 4 is equals to 25, right? So we can write this as x raised to the power of 2 into bracket all raised to the power of 2 using the indices law, right? Here we have 5 raised to the power of 2. Now let's bring this to the left hand side. So we are going to have x raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2 minus 5 raised to the power of 2. Now this is equals to 0. Let's recall the property of difference of two squared. For instance, when you have a squared minus b squared, this is equals to a plus b into bracket a minus b. Now let's using the property, applying it here, we are going to have x squared minus 5 into bracket x squared plus 5, right, or equals to 0. So we are going to have two parts now, which is equals to 0, which is x squared minus 5 is equals to 0, and also x squared plus 5 is equals to 0. Now starting with this, we are going to have x squared is equals to 5, right, when you collect like terms. Now taking the root of both sides, when you take the root of both sides, we are going to have the sign which is plus or minus, right? So this cancel out this, therefore we have x to be equals to plus root 5, which is also root 5, right, and also minus root 5. So from this part, these are the two values for x, right? Now let's move to this part now. When you collect like terms, you are going to have x squared is equals to negative 5. So when you take the root of both sides, we are going to have the sign which is plus or minus, right? So this cancel out this, we have x to be equals to root of negative 5. Don't forget, and also x to be equals to minus the root of negative 5. And I want us to recall something. When you have root of negative 5, we can write this as root of 5 multiplied by the root of negative 1, right? And don't forget, root of negative 1 is equals to iota. So we are going to have root of 5 multiplied by iota. Therefore, this is equals to root 5 iota. So now we can now rewrite the value of x to be equals to root 5 iota, and also x to be equals to minus root 5 iota. So these are the four values of x, which is this is the first value, this is the second value, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.